Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. Well, this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 38.5 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 38.5, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to eventually curl itself back upwards and start to get an upward slope to it. So the easy way to gauge the health, and not only is it easy, very effective, but gauge the health of this move right there is just to watch that purple line. Again, as long as the price stays above that purple line, it'll eventually start to slope upwards and then get higher and higher. And as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself gets higher and higher, well then by default, that implies that the overall trend is bullish. So keep an eye on that purple line, and that's definitely the preferable area to watch going forward, especially in the longer term. If the price can continue to hold above it, then that's going to get a nice upward slope to it, and that's what you want to see. Now, what about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance is just where the price got smacked back down several times today, and that was right up there at 42 cents. So 42 cents, initial area of resistance. If that level can be broken, the next key overarching one up there at 44. So 42, 44, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume, and as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher bases, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.